Hello viewers, and welcome to Home Reviews. Are you looking for the top 5 best portable basketball hoops of 2026? Here are my full reviews of the top 5 best portable basketball hoops of 2026. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Thank you. Number 1. Upgrade your driveway or backyard court with a Spalding Momentous Easy Assembly Portable Adjustable Outdoor Basketball Hoop. Designed for players who want performance, durability, and convenience in one complete system. Engineered by Spalding, this hoop features an intuitive, easy assembly design that allows you to set it up in 30 minutes or less, eliminating complicated installation and tools. The adjustable height mechanism makes it perfect for all ages and skill levels, easily ranging from youth-friendly practice to full regulation play. Its sturdy base can be filled with water or sand for enhanced stability, while the weather-resistant backboard and steel pole ensure long-lasting outdoor performance. The portable wheel system allows effortless movement, so you can reposition the hoop whenever needed. Whether you're practicing free throws, hosting friendly matches, or training seriously, the Momentous hoop delivers a reliable rebound and professional feel. Ideal for home courts, driveways, and outdoor spaces, it combines strength, mobility, and quick setup to provide an exceptional basketball experience for families and athletes alike. Its sleek design and durable construction make it a smart, long-term investment for active households seeking quality sport equipment and everyday recreational fun outdoors. Built to inspire confidence and consistent game-time performance every session. Number 2. Upgrade your home court experience with the IE Sports Portable Basketball Hoop with 7.5 to 10 feet, adjustable height, and rebounder. Designed for players of all ages and skill levels, this versatile hoop delivers professional-style performance right in your driveway, backyard, or indoor practice space. The adjustable height mechanism allows easy transition from 7.5 to 10 feet, making it perfect for kids, teens, and adults who want to improve their game. Built with a durable backboard and a stable base, the hoop ensures long-lasting strength and safety during intense play. The integrated rebounder returns the ball quickly, helping players practice shooting, passing, and solo drills more efficiently. Its portable design with smooth rolling wheels makes repositioning effortless, so you can set up your court wherever you like. Whether you are training seriously or enjoying casual family games, this basketball hoop provides reliable stability and excellent playability. Easy assembly, weather-resistant materials, and space-saving mobility make it an ideal choice for year-round use. Enhance your skills, stay active, and bring the excitement of real basketball action home with this premium portable hoop. It is perfect for practice sessions, friendly matches, and daily fitness routines for the whole family. Enjoy consistent rebounds and smoother skill development. Number 3. The iGel Portable Basketball Hoop is a versatile and durable solution for players of all ages, designed to bring the excitement of basketball right to your home. Featuring an adjustable height range from 5.6 to 10 feet, this basketball goal system grows with kids, teens, and adults, making it perfect for skill development, practice sessions, and friendly games. The easy-to-use adjustment mechanism allows you to quickly customize the height for different players and training needs. Built with a sturdy 44-inch backboard, the hoop provides excellent rebound performance and long-lasting durability for outdoor use. Its weather-resistant materials ensure reliable performance in various conditions, whether placed in a driveway, backyard, or outdoor court. The stable base can be filled with water or sand for added support, reducing wobble during intense play. Designed for portability, the hoop system includes built-in wheels, allowing effortless movement and storage when needed. From casual shooting practice to competitive matches, the iGel Portable Basketball Hoop offers a safe, fun, and professional playing experience. It's an ideal choice for families, schools, and basketball enthusiasts seeking a dependable, adjustable, and space-efficient basketball goal system. Number 4. Elevate your home court experience with a Silverback NXT Portable Adjustable 10 feet outdoor basketball hoop designed for durability, convenience, and pro-level performance. Featuring a premium 50-inch or 54-inch Shatterproof backboard, this basketball goal delivers consistent rebounds and a professional feel for players of all skill levels. The Stabilize frame steel-on-steel connection provides exceptional strength and stability, minimizing shake during intense gameplay. One of its standout advantages is the easy 90-minute assembly, allowing you to set up your court quickly without complicated tools. The height adjustment system smoothly adjusts from 7.5 to 10 feet, making it perfect for kids, teens, and adults alike. Its portable base can be filled with water or sand, ensuring reliable support while still allowing convenient relocation. Engineered for outdoor durability, the hoop's powder-coated steel pole resists rust and weather damage, making it ideal for driveways, backyards, and outdoor courts. Whether you are practicing shots, hosting friendly matches, or training seriously, the NXT hoop combines performance, style, and long-lasting quality in one versatile basketball system with confidence always. Number 5. Upgrade your game with a lifetime portable basketball hoop designed for durability, convenience, and all-ages performance. Featuring an adjustable height range from 7.5 to 10 feet, this hoop easily adapts to players of different skill levels, making it perfect for kids, teens, and adults alike. The 44-inch Shatterproof Fusion backboard delivers a strong, professional feel while ensuring long-lasting resilience against intense play and outdoor conditions. Built with a sturdy base that can be filled with water or sand for maximum stability, this portable hoop stays firmly in place during games. The integrated wheels allow effortless movement, so you can reposition it in your driveway, backyard, or court area without hassle. Its weather-resistant construction ensures reliable performance in various climates, maintaining strength and appearance over time. Whether you're practicing shots, enjoying friendly matches, or training seriously, this basketball hoop offers a perfect balance of flexibility and strength. The easy height adjustment system allows quick changes, encouraging growth and skill development. With its sleek design, robust build, and user-friendly portability, the lifetime portable basketball hoop is an excellent choice for anyone looking to bring professional-style basketball action right to their home.